look. Don't, hey, don't look over there.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
You straight, Lord? You got that old smoker's cough and shit?
Tell Daddy we recording this.
That old smoker's cough. You sound like you've been smoking for 30 years.
Hi. What are you doing?
Better not laugh on that camera.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Punch you in your ear.
What are you doing? What? Tell Daddy if that's not Scooby, he better not be texting. Yeah. We gotta send this to your grandma. She's gonna have a kick out of this.
Batman. Say hey, Grandma. Say hey, Grandma. Right. And say, color your name.
What's your name? What is your name?
Right. Say, I'm confused because I got so many, but, right. K. H. A. R. M-A-N-I. Tell them my name, Manny C. They call me Nala Guaba. That's my Nala call me, then they call me good, and then they got some other names for me too, and I don't really like them like that much. You did?
He's staring at the camera.
You did?
Okay, say bye. Say
Bye,
bye. Say bye, Grandma. Bye, everybody.
Say I holla.